Have you ever put on an outfit that looked completely right, but somehow felt completely wrong? Nothing was obviously broken. The colors matched. The clothes fit. Every piece looked good on its own. And yet, the person in the mirror did not quite feel like you. Imagine you are getting ready for an important meeting. You choose a structured blazer, tailored trousers, a neutral top, a plain tote, and polished shoes. The outfit is appropriate. It is balanced. It looks professional. But it also feels like a costume called confident person. That feeling matters, because an outfit can match the occasion and still miss the person wearing it. But the clothes may not be the real problem. The problem may be that the outfit has context, but no character. It fits the occasion, so context gets 9 out of 10. The colors and proportions work together, so balance gets 8. But there is no memorable detail connected to the person wearing it. Personal touch gets 4. And if the blazer feels stiff or the shoes make movement awkward, comfort gets 6. The overall impression is polished, but distant. About 6.5 out of 10. Now watch what happens when we change the styling instead of replacing the clothes. First, roll the blazer sleeves slightly. The outfit immediately feels less rigid. Next, replace the plain tote with a deep red shoulder bag. The color creates one clear focal point without making the outfit loud. Then add the earrings you already wear often. They do not need to be expensive or dramatic. Their job is to make the outfit recognizable as yours. Finally, check the shoes. If you were thinking about your feet before leaving home, choose a pair you can actually move in. The blazer, trousers, and top are still the same. But now the outfit communicates something more specific. It feels polished, confident, and personal instead of simply correct. The new score is closer to 8.5 out of 10. This works because a strong outfit usually needs 3 things: context, character, and comfort. So the next time an outfit looks good but feels wrong, do not immediately replace it. Ask 3 questions. Does it fit the context? Does it contain one detail that feels like me? And can I comfortably live in it for the next few hours? Sometimes the difference between a good outfit and the right outfit is only one small, honest detail. If you want a playful second opinion on your own look, SecretVibe can help you check the vibe of an outfit. You will find the app link in the description.